So let's open the user tab. As you can see, we do have a list of available users with a very specific role, like admin rights, superadmin rights. This is quite important, and it might be a bit confusing if we go further on without any explanation. So the user, well, it's connecting to a server as defined in connections, right? To which the user has been assigned, nothing else. For the operator, the login into the administration panel, he can browse users, bastions, well, connections, and everything that the user has been assigned to. By using this role, you may also block or maybe unblock objects like servers, users, bastions, and connections. You may also generate reports that are on demand and subscribe to periodic reports. Well, activate, deactivate email notifications, and the last thing that you may do with this type of role is conversion of sessions and download the coveted content. As for the admin role, the only difference between admin and operator is that the admin is allowed to manage the policies, which are very crucial, and we will show you that later on. The last role is a superadmin, and such person do have a full access rights to object management, which is the following: drop-down menu, and full access rights to system configuration options, which is not available here, as you can see.